Dong Yi. Dong Yi is a historical film saga focusing on past intrigue, politics, and personal struggles in the royal court of Korea's Joseon dynasty. It combines historical events with fictionalized elements, creating an engaging and emotional narrative about power, loyalty, and love. The film is directed by Lee Byung-ho, known for his work on the hit historical film Jewel in the Palace, Da Jeng-gung. The lead roles are played by Han Hyo-jo as Dong Yi, the main character, Ji Jin-hye as King Suk-jong, the benevolent and strong-willed ruler, Lee So-yeon as Jang Hui-bin, major antagonist. The series is set in the royal court of Joseon Dynasty 7